mixing MCT oil into your ketogenic diet plan. In life, we're always talking about must-haves. If you're driving a high-end car, you must have the top-of-the-line motor oil coursing through its cylinders. If you're competing at a high level in a track competition, state-of-the-art running shoes are a must-have. When you're celebrating a huge quarter at the office, the finest bourbon is a must-have. I would submit to you that if you're serious about a ketogenic lifestyle, MCT oil is a must-have. MCT oil provides a heavy dose of the very fuels that turn your body into, and keep it, a fat-burning machine. Unlike LCTs, MCTs bypass much of the digestion process that other fats go through. MCTs act in an almost carb-like manner in how they're sent directly to the liver, where they are used for energy. There are many reasons why MCT makes perfect sense for your ketogenic diet, but help you understand how they can play an essential role in your nutrition. We've some of the main benefits of MCT oil in your ketogenic diet plan. MCT oil helps you get into ketosis faster. As you already know, MCTs go to your liver and act in a carb-like manner that LCTs do not have the ability to do. This means that you can theoretically kickstart ketosis by following these steps. 1. Fast with no breakfast. If you've been out of ketosis for a while and you want to efficiently get back into a fat-burning state, a mix of fasting and MCT oil will do the job. Just eat a very low-carb dinner, or even skip dinner, and then wake up and don't eat breakfast. Instead, drink a cup of coffee, and put a tablespoon or 2 of MCT oil into your coffee and head out. The shot of MCT, plus the already fasted state of your body will have you back into ketosis quicker than if you try to just slowly eat your way back into ketosis. That is nutritional ketosis. It's also worth adding that the energy you get from the MCT oil and the coffee will be unlike what you were used to. The MCTs provide a prolonged energy that isn't comparable to energy derived from glycogen. 2. Meal replacement with MCT oil. Another benefit that comes from using MCT oil in your ketogenic diet plan is using it as a meal replacement. This somewhat resembles the previous point of fasting with MCT oil, but the difference is that you're still eating other regular ketogenic meals, except you're replacing, at least, one of those meals with some MCT oil. One of the benefits of MCT oil is its ability to satiate your appetite. So while it sounds initially scary to just depend a few tablespoons of oil for a meal replacement, your body will become accustomed as you do it more and more. The MCTs will act as replacement for what's normally there, glycogen, and your fierce badger hunger cravings will lessen. In our fast-paced, 21st century lifestyle, the benefits of being able to remain in ketosis while only slurping a few tablespoons of MCTs cannot be overstated. 3. Ramp up your ketogenic dishes with MCT. MCT oil's versatility is amazing. Let's say you're already in ketosis, but you're about to eat a salad for your daily carbs, and you want to keep it 100 on the keto life. It's easy. Just use MCT for a base to your dressing, and you can rest assured that you'll still be burning fat after you've downed your greens. Another way to use MCTs in your favorite ketogenic meals is to use it as a replacement for regular oil in baking. There's a whole ocean of keto baking recipes out there, so why not double down and use MCT instead of regular coconut oil? But what if you're not baking? What if you're out for a jog and you want to implement the energy efficiency of MCT oil? How about a nice keto sports drink? All you have to do is add to water, and then squeeze in some lemon juice, and you'll have a healthier, non-sugary sports drink for long workouts in the sun. There are many ways to skin a cat, and there's also many ways to amplify your ketogenic diet. MCTs are essential to your body transforming into a fat-burning machine. Unfortunately, you're not always going to be able to get the proper amounts from a diet alone. You'll need a boost, and MCT oil is that boost. Life is full of must-haves, and your diet does not fall out of the realm of this mantra. If you want to live a truly ketogenic lifestyle, you're going to have to invest in the right fuels and implement them in the most efficient ways possible. So what's the benefit of MCT to your ketogenic diet plan? The answer: efficiency. An efficient diet, which feeds an efficient lifestyle, that ultimately gives you more time to do the things you love,